Hi everyone! Welcome to my vlog. This is Ellie again. I want to show you something. I'm in the DIFC, Dubai Financial Center in Dubai. And actually I'm looking for a restaurant but I cannot find yet. So I just come here to walk around and I find it so amazing. Very nice view here. And so I want to show you something so I can share it with you. Actually we don't have work for this coming 2 days because it is UAE's National Day. So Saturday, Sunday, and then Monday, Tuesday no work. So total in all we will have like 4 days no work. So everyone here in UAE is really very excited. They go in vacation or staycation or whatever activity they will do. And me also like chilling because no work for the coming days, so I'm so happy about it, so I can rest, so the first thing I want to show you is the building with the UAE flag. Okay, see here, yeah, so their flag is on top because it's UAE National Day. It's a very nice tower, and near the tower the Dubai, the Dubai Museum. Yeah, it's a very big museum. You see, I will make it big for you. Yeah, that's the museum. And at nighttime it's lighted, so it's really very nice. And so many big towers near it. And so here the different and a very big towers. Yeah, there is also like watch tower here, and look at the lights, it's very nice. And more interesting is they have a huge like picture of the rulers. So this ruler is Zayed Al Nahyan, the first ruler of United Arab Emirates. So they really honor them because they make a very big picture of him. They love him so much. And also near him is Rashid Al Maktoum. This is the father of the present ruler of Dubai. So he is the father. So they are the previous ruler here. So very nice picture really. They love them so much. They make big pictures so the whole of Dubai, all of the UAE can see them, and it's lighted. And so many nice like arts here also. Wow, what a big raindrop. Is it a raindrop? Oh, no. I found the place to eat. So it's called the Night Market of Burjuman. So it's very nice. I ate so many Filipino food here. So at least I choose. And it's only near to Metro Station. So it would be very easy for me to go home. Yeah. So see?
الو ليمون فريش شفاف درهم. Ma'am, tabong-bong ma'am. Hindi pa maniwala. Oo, tabong-bong. Tabong-bong tayo, sir. Pala marasama.
So tonight I have lots of fun eating Filipino food also. So this ends my vlog. Bye bye. See you next time.